Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for December 31st, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:18 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:29 p.m. The parade of winter stars crosses the eastern evening horizon during the next month, with several bright stars rising at sunset. From Earth's revolution around the Sun, the stars appear 4 minutes earlier each night. 6 bright stars cross the horizon threshold and appear higher in the sky each evening as darkness descends. Here is the list of stars and the dates they rise in the eastern sky at nightfall. Castor, December 31st. Betelgeuse, January 2nd. Rigel, January 4th. Procyon, January 24th. Sirius, January 29th. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, brilliant Venus is over 15 degrees above the southeast horizon. It is approaching distant Grapheus, 1.8 degrees to the planet's lower left. Venus steps into Scorpius and passes 0.9 degrees to the upper left of the star tomorrow morning. Venus is in front of the Scorpion for 4 mornings before quickly stepping in front of Ophiuchus. The planet is over 10 degrees to the upper right of Antares, the constellation's brightest star, that marks the arachnid's heart. Venus is considerably lower in the sky each morning. Since the beginning of the month, the morning star has lost 45 minutes of rising time compared to sunrise. This morning it rises 2 minutes short of 3 hours before sunrise. Farther westward, the bright gibbous moon, 88% illuminated, is halfway up in the west-southwest, 2.9 degrees above Regulus, Leo's brightest star. Use a binocular to see Regulus and the sickle of Leo, that outline the head of the lion. The moonlight overwhelms the stars in the region. At 45 minutes before daybreak, make your first attempt to see Mercury. The speedy planet already has better visibility than the recent evening apparition. No bright star is in the region. Find a clear horizon looking toward the east-southeast and nearly 15 degrees to the lower left of Antares. Mercury is dimmer than Antares, but brighter than the other celestial bodies in the region, except for Venus. Mercury is higher each morning and continues to brighten. During mid-January, the planet is 11 degrees to the lower left of Venus. Mars is slower entering the morning sky than Mercury. The red planet rises nearly 50 minutes before sunrise and it seems stuck in bright morning twilight. In the evening sky, Jupiter and Saturn are the 2 bright planets in the evening sky after sundown. Bright Jupiter resumes its eastward trek, after the illusion of retrograde ended yesterday. This evening, it is the brightest star-like body in the sky. Find it over halfway up in the southeastern sky at 1 hour after sundown. The Jovian giant is in front of Aries, 10.4 degrees to the lower right of Hammel, the ram's brightest star, and 11.5 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, the sea monster's nostril. Saturn, considerably dimmer than Jupiter, but brighter than most stars in tonight's sky, is about 30 degrees up in the south-southwest, in front of Aquarius dim stars. It nearly makes an equilateral triangle with Skate, the Aquarian's leg, and Lambda Aquarii. Use a binocular to see the stars, especially in urban and suburban settings, but they do not appear in the same binocular field with the ringed wonder. Saturn sets in the west-southwest over 4 hours after sundown. An hour earlier, Jupiter is in the southern sky. The moon rises about 5 hours after sundown. An hour later, it is nearly 15 degrees above the eastern horizon, over 9 degrees to the lower left of Regulus. The gibbous moon is in the southwest before sunrise tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.